North India tremors are all a sign that a great Himalayan earthquake is just round the corner. Powerful earthquake to rock Himalayan region anytime soon? We must be prepared. Frequent earthquakes are a wake-up call for Himalayan states in India. Frequent earthquakes a reminder of the vulnerabilities of the Himalayan region. On March 21, 2023, people across several North Indian states experienced a strong tremor as an earthquake of 6.6 magnitude hit Afghanistan. Another recent earthquake in Afghanistan. According to India's National Centre for Seismology, the earthquake tremors were felt at 5:49 a.m. IST, on Wednesday, March 29, 2023. The epicenter of the earthquake was 85 kilometers east of Kabul in the country. Studies say that enough strains have been accumulated in the Himalayan region that indicate a likelihood of severe earthquakes in the future. Despite the warning, it is tough to predict the exact time of the earthquake, and experts suggest that precaution is the key to minimize loss. Experts warn that frequent tremors and earthquakes are a wake-up call, particularly for states in the Himalayan region. They call for preventive measures to minimize damages, as there could be a likelihood of a severe earthquake in the region. A study in 2020 says the Himalayan region is seismically one of the most active continental regions. Enough strains have been accumulated to trigger earthquakes of more than 8 magnitudes on the Richter scale. There are estimates that these earthquakes can impact 1 million lives. The majority of states in Himalayan regions fall in Zone 4 and 5. As per the seismic zoning map prepared by the Bureau of Indian Standards, BIS, with Zone 5 reflecting the highest seismic risk. As per the map, Kashmir Valley, the western part of Himachal Pradesh, the eastern part of Uttarakhand, part of northern Bihar, and all northeastern states fall in Zone 5. Ladakh, the remaining part of J&K, Himachal Pradesh, and Uttarakhand, parts of Haryana and Punjab, Delhi, and Sikkim fall in Zone 4. Gujarat, Western Rajasthan, Andaman and Nicobar Islands are vulnerable too. According to official figures of the Indian Meteorological Department, on an average, over 30 earthquakes occur annually in J&K. In the last 5 years, around 150 earthquakes have hit J&K, mostly with a magnitude of 3 to 5. In Uttarakhand, in the last 10 years, more than 700 earthquakes have occurred. Given the vulnerabilities of these states, experts feel that it is best to be prepared in the event of a major earthquake. Shallow earthquakes, like the one recently in Turkey and Syria, just 10 kilometers deep, are devastating, as the energy they release emerges more intensely on the surface. However, with deeper earthquakes, the quakes spread farther, and the seismic waves lose energy as they come to the surface. This is why no great damage was reported in India. The earthquake originated in the Hindu Kush mountain range, which is prone to earthquakes. The Great Himalayan Earthquake. For a long time, scientists have said that a great Himalayan earthquake is long overdue, and by long we mean centuries. It is also inevitable. And several major Indian cities like Delhi and Gurugram sit precariously over fault lines, even though no major earthquake has struck the areas in modern history. You see, the Western Himalayas continues to be one of the most dangerous and active seismic zones in the world. The inevitable great earthquake can strike anywhere between the Hindu Kush mountain range in Afghanistan and the end of Arunachal Pradesh in India. This is because the Indo-Australian tectonic plate is in collision with the Eurasian plate, which is also the reason for the creation of the Himalayas. In the past 500 years, there has not been an earthquake over magnitude 8, even though lesser magnitude earthquakes have caused much damage, like the 2015 Nepal quake and the 2005 Jammu and Kashmir quake, mostly affecting Pakistan-administered areas. This means that there is a great amount of pent-up energy caused by the friction between the two tectonic plates, which can only be released in the form of a massive earthquake. The central Himalayan region is even more prone to earthquakes because of a seismic gap, which is an absence of a massive earthquake. Usually, strong earthquakes have a seismic cycle. If a magnitude 7 earthquake strikes one region, it takes a decade for the same magnitude earthquake to strike again. So, this Himalayan region is overdue for a magnitude 8 earthquake. So North India tremors are all a sign that a great Himalayan earthquake is just round the corner.